Tuke mag drama mag skunde Kenya National Drama and Films Festival odonjo odiochienge mar ariyo kawuono. Tuke go bage marany ma Embu e kaunti ma Embu gikelo kanyakla skunde mag primary, skunde secondary, kuonde tiegruok mag colleges kod mbalariany. Sikunde mag JSS bende wang'ne onywandie tuke ma higa ni kaka yorno mar kelo kit tiegruok manyasani mar CBC e chenro ma kamago. Jagoro mochung' ne tuke go mag Kenya National Drama and Film Festivals James Ndimuli opuo migawo mar somo kuom chiwo arita makare ne jokanyo mantiere Embu. Jopuonjre mar 15,000 manochopo e tuke go nopidho yiende mohew 20,000. Thoro mar wach mar higani en yawo thuolo mag loko ngima oganda kod ochumi kokalo tuke mag drama.
We were given that guarantee by Her Excellency the Governor. We have not had any incidents of insecurity, and in any case, we have the State Department for Interior has deployed adequate security. Every village that the children are staying in is manned. Every hotel that our teachers are staying in are secured by the national security, and we are quite happy with the work that is going on. We are expecting in excess of 15,000 because you realize that now we have a new category, a new level called the junior school, which also has its entries, although there are not many. Actually, junior school does not have the cultural creative dance, and it doesn't have the play. But next year, of course, it shall.
The experience in Drama Festival has been nice through all the days that I've been here. This is my second day in Embu, and I've planted 6 trees.
We are in Embu, and we are going on Drama Festival. The day has been good. We have planted trees. I've planted 5 trees in total, and we thank God.
Wadhi ya kaunti ya Machakos nyakora mwajuanga kama governor ya kaunti ya